Hey y'all, Bolen Outdoors here, or in today's video, Bolen Builds and Repair. I've got a 60-gallon A.O.Smith hot water tank here. I purchased it back in 2019. Look at the date, I wrote it on the side. And had an issue where it stopped pumping out hot water. I was doing dishes, hot water stopped. I figured, maybe the igniter switch is off or something. I came down here to fire it back up. And what ended up happening was it threw me, this little light was blinking. If I mess around with it, it'll start blinking again. But it threw me 7 flashes, which is the gas control or valve failure sign. So, looked that up, and apparently the only way to fix that is by replacing the entire thing. So I got a brand new one. That's what we're going to be doing today. I do want to say, I'm not a professional repairman. I'm not licensed, so if you decide to do this job on your own, you're doing so at your own risk. But let's get started here. So I've already shut my gas off. That valve is off. I'm about to go up here, shut off the water. I got my lines going in. And then once that water shut off, we'll be hooking everything up to drain it, draining it, then we'll do the repair. Alrighty, we're back in business. I've got the lines bleeding right now, getting air out of them. Everything seems to be running fine. Fired up, it's heating up the water. So we're all good to go. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to, feel free to drop a comment, and y'all have a good one.